In this tutorial, we're going to be going over the modified deck pair probability question that can be found on QuantGuide IO. Now, what this question is asking, it's saying Marissa has a deck of 40 cards, 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 threes, etc. A matching pair, 2 cards with the same number, is removed from the deck without replacement. If Marissa randomly draws 2 more cards, what is the probability that she draws another matching pair? So what this is asking is the probability of a pair being drawn. So all we have to do for that is possible pairs divided by the total possible outcomes. In this case, both of them are going to require combination. So here for pairs, we're going to define it as pairs, and we're going to set it equal to math.comb, or combination, and we're going to do 4 and 2. Now we'll just look at pairs and see what that returns us, and you can see that gives us 6. What this is saying is, since there's 4 cards of each, and we're trying to make pairs of 2, there's 6 ways we could do that with each card of rank. Now since one card's gone from the pair and there's only 9 remaining, we'll multiply that, but we'll add back in the other possible pair that could occur on the lost card. To think about this intuitively, say that somebody pulled a pair of 10s. In this case, we're going to find the combinations of all numbers 1 through 9, hence multiplied by 9, and we're going to add in that singular combination of 10s that's still remaining. Now we can come back down one more time and run this again, and we can see that's giving us 55. Now to calculate the total outcomes, we can define this as outcomes. We're going to do math.comb. Now since 2 cards were already taken out, we could do 40 minus 2, and we're putting them in pairs of 2. So I could have just typed out 38, but just so you guys understand the intuition behind it. And as I just stated, we're putting them in pairs of 2. So we could run this, and we can now view what our outcomes would be. You can see that gives us 703. And to simply see what the answer would now be, we could do pairs over outcomes. After running this, you can see it's about a 7.8% chance, or if we would like, we could just delete this, put a comma, and we could see it would be 55 over 703. We can now go over to QuantGuide. Now here we could just type in 55 over 703, and you can see that's correct. Now that's how you can solve the modified deck pair probability question on QuantGuide.io. Feel free to leave any other questions or comments you have down below, and I hope that helps.